Welcome to my class. Today I prepare a consolidation financial statement in Excel. Last class I gave you on free class how we calculated consolidated financial statement. Now I prepare in Excel. Okay, let's start it. Here is a parent company and there is a subsidiary company's income sheet. Next, sheet 2 we balance sheet we just separated here. One is parent company and there is subsidiary company. Now we task is prepare a consolidated income statement. On the final task, prepare a consolidated financial statement. Okay, now we just prepare a consolidated income statement. First calculation we just prepare on the basis data. Here we just say parent company owns 80% of subsidiary company. Now we see the calculation, then we start here our next sheet 3, prepare a consolidated income statement. Now we calculated on our data for this we need revenue. First we calculated, we goes to the our worksheet. Here I just make a short note to calculate it in Excel. Here we just parent companies we find out revenue 1 lakh 15 crore, and cost of goods sold 9 lakh, gross profit 6 lakh, operating expense 3 lakh, net income 3 lakh. We just see in the Excel sheet. Here net income is 3 lakh. How we calculate it? Here we just see the full list on how we calculated net income. Here I just understand it and you understand here. Here first we give revenue 15 lakh and cost of goods sold 9 lakh. Now we calculated gross profit to minus 15 lakh to 9 lakh, we get 6 lakh. Next we our operating expense give here, you see 3 lakh, and we just minus here 6 lakh, then we get 3 lakh. Next our subsidiary company's revenue 5 lakh, cost of goods sold 2 lakh 50,000, gross profit minus to 5 lakh minus 2 lakh 50,000, we get 2 lakh 50,000. Next operating expense 1 lakh. Now we minus 2 lakh 50,000, we get net income 1 lakh 50,000. Here you understand it. Now we just combine income statement. We plus to revenue 1 lakh 50,000 plus 5 lakh, 15 lakh plus 5 lakh, we get 2 crore. And cost of goods sold here we just 9 lakh plus 2 lakh 50,000, and we get 11 lakh 50,000. Here we just see gross profit to minus 11 lakh 50,000 to crore. Sorry, here is a 20 lakh to minus 11 lakh 50,000, we get 8 lakh 50,000. Next operating expense we just see 3 lakh plus 1 lakh equal to 4 lakh. So we get consolidated net income 4 lakh 50,000. 8 lakh 50,000 to minus 4 lakh, then we get 4 lakh 50,000. Here we just see here, parent company owns 80% of subsidiary company. For that, we just NCI 20% subsidiary net income. Uh, we just subsidiary company's net income 1,50,000, 20% we get 30,000. Net income attribute to parent, consolidated net income 4,50,000. Then we minus 30%. That means 20% subsidiary companies. Parent company is 80% owner of subsidiary companies. For the season 20% minus, here we get net income attributable parent 4,20,000. Now it is the main part of our math. Now we calculate it in Excel.